double-length episode, Dora Saves the Mermaids, coming fall 2007.
We can do this! Sí se puede!
Dora's World Adventure, The Shine Rainbow, Queer Team, and Musical School Days are available now on DVD. Dora Saves the Mermaids is coming to DVD fall 2007. And be on the lookout for more great Dora titles.
It's action, adventure, and baby animals.
We're animal rescuers. We'll find your baby named Walt.
All the excitement for Go Diego Go is available now on DVD with these great titles.
Hola.
Biggest adventure ever.
Whether he's helping a friend in the Great Jaguar Rescue, diving deep in the ocean in an underwater mystery,
We've got to find out where this fish is.
or saving the day in Wolf Pup Rescue, Diego is always taking you on an incredible journey.
Do you like dinosaurs?
And you can have twice the adventure with the Great Dinosaur Rescue, a special double-length episode.
We've got to bring Maya the Minosaur to her family on Egg Island.
Catch Diego in his biggest mission yet, the double-length episode Safari Rescue, coming fall 2007.
Let's go!
You can swing into action with the Great Dinosaur Rescue,
No.
Wolf Pup Rescue, and Underwater Mystery, available now. Safari Rescue is coming to DVD fall 2007.
No.
More Diego titles coming in 2007.
The Wonder Pets are taking off with their first full-length DVD.
Who is that?
Up there.
See, Wonder Pets. Wonder Pets.
We're not too big and we're not too tough, but when we work together, we got the right stuff. Looks like our work here is done, Wonder Pets.
Look for the Wonder Pets in the Save the Wonder Pets DVD, featuring a double-length episode available now. And be on the lookout for the Save the Reindeer DVD, coming fall 2007. Get ready for your wildest backyard adventures
I'm an astronaut. Me too. Me three.
with these favorite Backyardigans titles, available now on
You
DVD.
got all the right moves, dude. Hit it.
You can dance and sing along with your backyard friends anytime you want.
You got some rhinos, super bad, truly man moves.
Surf the perfect way.
Dance.
Dance at the luau in The Legend of the Volcano Sisters. Journey through the Ice Age in Cave Party. And soar through space in Mission to Mars, featuring the voice of Alicia Keys.
Go to Mars.
Coming to DVD in fall 2007, the Backyardigans sneak around in style in a special double-length episode, Super Secret Super Spy, featuring the voice of Cyndi Lauper. Each episode takes you on a one-of-a-kind adventure. Bring the Backyardigans home with these titles, available now on DVD. And look for Super Secret Super Spy coming to DVD fall 2007.
Are you ready for our play date together?
Get ready for more Wade Great Play Dates in these and other Blues Room titles, now on DVD and VHS. Sing along with Blue, Glory, Polka Dots, and the whole gang. Each features a full-length episode from inside Blue's room, and you know what that means. That's right. See Blue and all of her friends tell stories, play pretend, and host special play dates. There's plenty of excitement in store as you and Blue journey to magical faraway places in beyond your wildest dreams.
Know about Hug Day?
And in It's Hug Day, Blue and pals learn why it's great to hug and what it means to appreciate their friends.
I'm gonna give my Hug Day card to you.
Alphabet Power, you and Blue will learn all about the ABCs.
ABC. It's the word cat. Meow.
It's Blue's Room on DVD
Meow.
and VHS. Share the magic with your loved ones today. Some titles are in stores now, and more are coming soon.
I had a great play date with you.
Dora! Oh. ¿Quién es? ¿Quién es? Dora.
Are you ready? Come on.
Baila. Baila. Ahí está. Ahí está. Oh, man.
Hola, soy Dora. And I'm Boo. We're at the beach. Yeah. Have you ever been to the beach? We love
No, Tomás.
We love the ocean. And the warm sand. And the bright blue sky.
Tomás, cuidado.
We love the beach day. That's when we make sure the beach is nice and clean. And doesn't have any garbage on it.
No.